Alright, couple late nights. What's today? Today is Wednesday. I'm headed to TDC. The car ran. Drove it around the track. Just putting, not going in the boost, obviously, and so far so good, I guess. Now is a completely different thing I need to learn because I've never done a dyno session before, so I guess that'll be the end of this one, and I'll start another one with the actual dyno. So I'm kind of interested in the whole ECU standalone ECU thing right now. So if you have any recommendations on looking up info or learning info on the Link ECUs, even just personal experience on SR20s that you recommend or things you should or shouldn't do, let me know, because this tune is really just for like safety features, and I'm not going for like crazy power or anything like that. So hopefully I'll learn a lot. So yeah, just follow along, subscribe, comment, whatever helps the videos get out there, because I like to start communicating with some more people before I start traveling. So all right, wish me luck. All right, a little more awake now, a couple hours since I ended the last video, but I should be pulling up to TDC here shortly and unload the car and start biting my nails, because this is stressful. So all right, let's see where to park and whatnot. Oh, I'm here. Here we go. I'm a little under the weather. The weather! Oh, look at that. Look at that. My mustache is changing colors with the season. Okay. What was the last thing that I talked about on the damn camera? I don't know. I went to the dyno. The same weekend was a drift event. I ended up having like this goofy problem that I still don't know if it's gonna continue doing it. Basically, I had an oil leak on the turbo.
I feel like we found where it was coming from. The problem was is like such a crappy spot. The section that you look at where the oil was coming out of, it looked like it was coming out of the drain. So I was like looking at the instructions, and the drain says it needs to be clocked at a certain degree. So I kind of thought that was it. I ended up clocking it a little bit, almost straight down, just to be safe. It still seemed to leak a little bit. And the next thing that I ended up finding in another section of instructions that was on a third page, I didn't realize it was in there, is if you have like a higher oil pressure, I guess. I don't know. Don't quote me on this. But if you have a high oil pressure, you need a oil pressure regulator because it could cause leaks. So I got basically everything just to replace everything. I don't want to deal with it, so I got a new oil drain, and this one has a, like an actual oil ring just in case. I have a paper gasket on the other one I wasn't very happy with, so I just figured swap that out. And then I got the Turbo Smart regulator. This is supposed to be like a regulator and I guess a filter combined, so I just got that one. And got the lines, got a vibrant line just to check length, and then I got different ones with 90s locally. Boom. So now I'm gonna try to, I'm not gonna do it today, I'm just trying to update the YouTube so when I'm older I could be like, you goofball. But yeah, I just have to change a couple things. I think I have a video of me doing one lap. I think I did 2.5 laps, and the car was like shaking as I was driving. So my power steering was giving me some issues. And then, see if I could show you I have the complete GK angle kit up front, the whole thing, but I didn't check this before because I was just ready to drive. All of the bearings, all of the fittings, anything that goes to this kit is moving, so I'm gonna have to replace it. But GK Tech actually sent me all the replacement parts. All I did was, I let them know what was going on. They just sent them to me, so that was nice of them. They didn't have to do that, being this is used and whatnot. So I'm gonna crack at it, see what I can get done today. So I also got a new power steering rack. I don't know where it's at. I gotta find it. But I'm gonna change that. Change power steering rack. The turbo lines, reconfigure the coolant lines, oil lines, the drain, the feed, all that stuff. Yeah, and just try to get it ready for EYB. So see if I can get some stuff done. It'll probably be a different day, but we'll see. All right, so I just took off the intake and I just noticed, see if I can get this in there. See some oil in there. I don't even know what that means. So hopefully, I don't know. I'm hoping that that oil is just having, it has so much pressure, I guess. It's pushing through the seal and maybe coming through the front. I don't know. But I guess I'm gonna call some friends and get online and see, to see what it is. Brand new turbo, so I don't think it should be messed up, but guess you never know. So, all right, I will get back to it. Bing, bing, bing.